Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, January 19th, 2008 am. Managing to meditate deeply is the remedy to many evils. Being really able to disregard what surrounds you and worries you is a blessing. Our candidates experience this each day with more or less success. But could they do without this privileged movement? Regularity in practice, as well as deep aspiration to unite with the divine, must give the best results. It is necessary to advance step by step on this long and difficult way. But the reasons we have just mentioned make the work bear fruit. Finding yourself in a given situation, you realize how much you have changed. Your real condition is revealed to you, and you are happy to be able to notice this transformation. Even if your everyday life is not easy, you inevitably face up to the problems that arise with an inner serenity that helps you to face up to things. The result of your sadhana has made you into a new being without your realizing it. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. The origin of religions has already been alluded to. This truth has surprised you and will shock many of you. But it is a reality that no reasoning, not even time, will be able to change. Building on this first contacts with beings that came from elsewhere, a law and principles were given. A universal language which is still being used and so will be until the end of time remains as evidence, difficult to prove but real, of what was left by these higher beings. Humanity is still benefiting today from lessons that were given at that time. Their descendants who rose up mark time with their discoveries, their ideas that made the world evolve. It is a concept difficult to admit, even by open-minded beings. But the evidence of these allegations will be given in the future. Men who will be able to ascertain them will remain astounded. You will not be there anymore to be edified. But our assertions are perhaps already enough for you. Your world would not be as it is today without the intervention of these extraterrestrials a long time ago. Babuji.